Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. This video is the second video of our video series that will show you how to build a fully functional trading bot using the binary option tools video library and chipa-ta libraries. So before we get into the video, I want to show you a bit more about our website. You can join here our community, which is highly recommended. You can also check our services that we provide. We provide proxy servers, custom bot development, bot hosting. We provide other things that are included with the chipa subscriptions, which you can just get access to by clicking, and it will ask you to pay here, right? We also, of course, have via the chipa license. You can get with the license and subscriptions, you'll get access to AI Trading Assistant, which will allow you to build a fully functional trading bot using AI. They will just give you a fully functional exe, which you just double click and it will run your bot, right? You will also have access to bots built by the community and us, and yes, highly recommended. So now to get started on the video, for this video, you'll need to have seen other videos. In this case, the first video, because that's where we set up everything and we installed everything, which if you haven't seen that already, I highly recommend you watch that first and then come back to this video. Anyways, first we're gonna start by creating the test file to test chipa-ta, which we can just call test chipa-ta.py. Right, so to start, we're gonna just import JSON, which will allow you to deal and test with the candles, which I'm gonna be explaining later in the video. Now, you'll want to import from chipa-ta, import candle and indicator. Right, now, once we do that, we're gonna need to create some raw candles. These are gonna be some fake candles that you're gonna just use to create a, which you're just gonna use to deal with data and just so the candles itself and the pocket option, well, the chipa-ta has initial data, which is gonna need to make all the technical analysis, in this case for chipa-ta, for pocket option. Right, anyways, now that we have the raw candles, which here you need to put equals, we're gonna start by putting the variables of the indicators we'll be using in this bot. In this case, it's a test, but we'll be using this one. So first you wanna write SMA equals indicator dot SMA, and you're just gonna add a period of 3. Now you'll wanna do the same for the EMA indicator, which is gonna be this. Then same for the MACD indicator, which you can play around with this, but in this case I think we'll just go with 3, 6, and 2, and 2. There we go. Now we want to have the RSI indicator, which is gonna have a period of 3, and finally a ATR indicator with a period of 3. Right, now you'll just want to add a quick print statement, just like something like feeding candles, yes, which then you'll want to create a for loop that's gonna feed manually the candles so we can see the values. So to start, you wanna do something, yes, for raw in raw candles of course being the initial candles. In this case, we'll want to do candle equals candle dot from JSON, which is gonna load, and yes, JSON.dump, which is gonna load this initial candles. Then we're gonna do SML value equals SMA dot next candle, and yes, and the candles. Then yes, you wanna do the same exact thing for this other things we have. It's the same idea. And yes, now we wanna print like the actual candles, but this time, yeah, candle. We'll be more interested in the candle close data, which you can get by doing candle dot close and add yes the float. Then we just want to print the candles data, which you'll be able to do by doing SMA equals SMA value val SMA val. There we go. Then yes, you wanna do the same. This and ATR. There we go. Then you can do, yeah, but this case just print this. And right, this right now is gonna show you exactly how to deal with chipa-ta. Now you can go ahead and run this, run in Python dedicated, and you see here it gives you all the candle data. Of course, for the actual bot, we'll be using real data, which can be fed with the binary option tools v2 data, but this, in this case, is a specific example just to show you guys how it works, the actual library. And yes, so now that you know how to use the chipa-ta library, you will be, tomorrow, I'll be doing the next tutorial, which will be how to actually use the binary option tools v2 library. Stay tuned for that video, and for chipa's sake, thank you very much and see you later.